up, Peaches? It's me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a get ready with me homecoming vlog. And no, I didn't just wake up. I actually just took a shower, which is why I have my shower cap on. And I'm about to put on a face mask. So in order to get no face mask on my hair, I'm gonna keep this cap on. So before we get started, make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe down below, make sure to share this video, and without further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay, so before we get started here, I just want to show you guys the facial cleanser that I used when I took a shower. It's this Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. By the way, Clean and Clear, if you're seeing this, just, sponsor me if you want. This actually works pretty well, and while you put it on, you can like feel a minty type of feel on your skin that just makes you know that it's working. And now it's time to put a face mask on. For today's video, I will be using this charcoal face mask by Spascriptions. I hope you guys can see the name right there. Ooh, ASMR. Anyways, I'm kind of excited to use this. I wish it was one of those face masks that dry on your face, but because it's a gel face mask, it won't dry. It'll just stay on your face and cleanse it. But I'm excited to see how this works. Also, Spascriptions, if you're watching this, you should also sponsor me. Look at the inside. Okay, let's give this a shot. Ooh, that's kind of soothing. Look at that. Really, guys, look what I just did. My camera was about to fall, so I made a quick movement to grab it, and I threw some of the face mask on the wall by accident. Yikes. So I think I'm done applying this, and I probably should wash it off because it says 15-minute facial therapy, and it took me so long to apply this because I was also trying to get a good thumbnail, which can be hard sometimes. But yeah, maybe I'll just let it sit for like 3 more minutes, then I will wash it off. Okay, it's finally time to wash this face mask off. Oh, so close. Okay, it's time to move on to something else. So I'm about to get my hair done by my mom, aka
Mama Peach.
aka Mama Peach. So let's get started.
How many layers of this stuff you got in there? It's all wet. Okay.
Maybe I was sweating.
So basically you just want a side part and slick it back?
Well, it can't be down because my hair's not long enough to do a bun down.
So up, we
yeah.
have to do it.
Okay.
So I'm using this to moisturize her hair.
Sponsor us. Me and all of my sponsors.
Just a little. See, just a little bit. get the edges, not the edges, the ends more. I know.
Ow!
Does that hurt?
Yes, that hurt.
I'm sorry. How high up do you want it? Like
maybe like the middle.
back here?
As long as I have enough hair to do the bun. Because if you go all the way low, it won't be enough.
Can you guys see? Eco styling gel. And a toothbrush just for hair.
Actually, that's not a toothbrush. That's actually
a
like
hair brush.
That's a edge brush.
Right.
We just got finished slicking back my hair with the Eco Styling Gel, and now we're going to put on the bun.
And this is the bun we're using.
Guys, look how long my ponytail is. I remember when it used to be way shorter. I'm so proud of my growth.
Have you guys ever used this as a bun?
It just makes it easier, especially for people with shorter hair.
Alright. So guys, after you put the bun thing on, you just kind of comb your hair over it. I'm pretty sure most of you know how to do this. And wrap your hair so no one will know your secret. They'll just think it's your hair. Okay, so you see how I wrap the hair around there? So now I'm just gonna hold it like that and put a scrunchie over it. This bun is big. Yeah, you see that, but there's a little hair flying out.
Don't we need bobby pins?
Yes. Alright guys, always remember to secure your bun with bobby pins because you don't want it to fall off while you're dancing. That won't be pretty. It's just like a wig falling off my head. Anyway.
Okay.
So look at it. What do you guys think?
Here's the final product.
Turn around
I know.
so they can see the back. Look at it. Back here. Yep. That's it.
So next we're about to do my makeup, but it's gonna be way too long to show you guys. So instead we're doing a video of that on the Peach Fam. So if you guys wanna see my mom doing my makeup, definitely hop onto the Peach Fam channel and check the video out. Okay guys, so here is the final makeup look. I think it's pretty good. Once again, check out the Peach Fam channel to see how we got here. But now it's time for me to put on my dress. It's time to change into my dress. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was probably not really in sync, but you know, I tried. So yeah, I'm all glammed up now. Okay, how many times am I gonna pose with a peace sign?
There she is, coming down. Oh my goodness.
Can they see?
Look at her.
Look at my little bag I have here.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
Prom date looks so beautiful.
There goes your prom date.
Prom together.
No, we're not. This is not even prom.
I mean, homecoming together. We're going to homecoming together.
And that's when my mom and my brother decided to prank me. So if you want to see that prank, definitely go to the Peach Fam's channel. I'm back from the dance, and as some of you guys can tell, I am so tired. It was pretty fun, and I danced a bunch with my friends, which was really cool. By the way, I didn't show you guys before, so here's my full outfit. I think it's really cute. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe down below. Make sure to share this video and to check out my Instagram at official_peachyqueen. And I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye. And after this, I changed into relaxing clothes. I ate some McDonald's and I went to sleep. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.